Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to access Notability on Windows. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. As of now, Notability is officially available on iOS and macOS platforms. There is no official Windows version of the app. However, if you are looking to access your Notability notes on a Windows PC, what you can do is use an Android emulator. So to do it, all you gotta do is head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in NOXPLAYER emulator. Then once the search result loads, tap on the first link that is shown to you. Then once you are inside, all you gotta do is download and install the NOXPLAYER emulator. Then once it's downloaded, open the NOXPLAYER and sign in with your Google account. Then once signed in, search for Notability in the built-in Play Store within the NOXPLAYER. Then install and launch the Notability from within the emulator. This method is unofficial and may not provide the full functionality or optimal performance of the app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.